Hi, I'm Sophia. Like many homeowners, I dreamed of enjoying my porch without battling bugs or debris. That's when I discovered Best Custom Screens. Their custom porch panels have been a game changer. My handyman found that the installation was a breeze, and the fit is perfect. No more gaps for insects to sneak through. I love how the screens keep out pollen and leaves while letting in the perfect amount of breeze. And the UV protection? My outdoor furniture hasn't faded a bit. The best part? We use our porch so much more now. Morning coffee, family dinners, even working from home, it's all better out here. If you're on the fence about screened-in porches, take it from me. It's worth every penny. Best Custom Screens Porch Screens has truly transformed our outdoor living. I couldn't be happier.
Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.